Hello everyone. We'll continue our model function here. Here, this section we're going to cover the add and update. Okay, add and update of the product. All right. Right now, okay, we can add and update the product from here, or we can get it from here. All right. We just need to select model. Continue. Okay. Now. We are in the update or add product mode. Okay, and in here we just talk about the modify. All right, we're not gonna try to add. Okay, try not to confuse you. All right, in here, okay, if you want to, well, for example, all right, we want to change the price. This is something. Okay, we want to change the color. Say this is a black cam. Well, no black camel. Say green army camel. Color. All right, and category, well, the SKU description. Okay, you can change that. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. Okay, here this is a model description, and we also under each SKU number we will have a SKU description. The model, okay, SKU description, okay, pretty much inherit from the model description and make some modification. Mainly it's just a size and color. All right, if you want to do, you can do whatever you want. Okay, to change the SKU description. However, all right, you want to keep it consistent. So when it displayed, okay, on web, it will look much better in that way. All right, and you can also, this is shortcut. You can change the price. Alright, for example, you can copy from the previous one, but you have to enter one by one. Alright, okay, and also from here, if you want, you can update the product SKU. Alright, you say you want to change the size, you want to change the color, whatever. Well, you need to be careful. Some common sense apply. Alright, okay, some common sense apply. For example, you want to add the vendor SKU. Okay, on the product SKU. Okay, also you want to add the UPC code. That makes sense. Okay, instead of change the color, the kind of thing. Okay, you add the UPC code, something like that. And okay, now we can go back to the previous screen. All right, this is about the update. All right, and also if, for example, this item, for example, ATV01. All right, now ATV01 only in the warehouse 1000. You want to add to different warehouse, you can add in here. The action cannot be performed. It's not modifiable. Okay, all right, warehouse, we just need to add, say, the 2000. Well, actually the warehouse has to be predefined. Okay, yeah, we already defined as a test warehouse. All right, back to continue. Okay, now we have another warehouse for ATV01. Let's take a look, see if it's in there. Okay, ATV01 2000 warehouse. Okay, I cannot really remember how I sort it out. Okay, let's say Eddie. Click in here. This is just something. Okay, sort it. They did not sort. Okay, we can define the sort. We want to sort by SKU and warehouse number. Continue. Okay. Access layout. That's just borrow this opportunity to teach you, okay, how to show you how to use FileMaker, some basic function. All right, now the ATV01, we have a much better idea. Okay, everything is here. All right, so this is about the. Also, we can say add to another warehouse from here. Okay, well, they also have this one. Well, it doesn't show. Okay, view. All right. We'll talk about this screen later when we do the add product. Okay, back to original. Okay, this is about the product SKU. All right, and also we can add the feature. So we can say the test 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so when you go to when you use the FileMaker to replace MySQL or whatever database for your e-commerce, all right, this is the information will show there. This is the main feature which will be displayed on your website. Okay, this is the idea. Okay, when we designed it. All right, and also, all right, okay, the selling main feature test 1. Okay, sequence, display sequence. We say this is number 1. We want to display All right, I'll show you why we need to do that. Okay, test 2 or whatever, display 2, display number 3. All right, oh, I don't like it, let's delete this. Okay, so make it number 2. Okay, all right, this is about the feature. Specification, okay, this is a predefined template. You can modify this by click this button. Okay, click this button, it will bring you to predefined spec field name template. That's for ATV. If it's for the UTV or if something never happened, okay, it will show blank, and then you just need to set up the template. So to avoid the duplicate effort, right? Okay, now you just need to figure it out. Okay, MSRP price, we have that. Sorry, the computer is not that smart yet. Okay, we have the MSRP price. Where is it? Oh, it did not show in here. Okay, product feature. All right, the MSRP price is 400. Okay, specification, let's do the MSRP 400. All right, the engine size is 110 cc. Actually, I highly recommend, okay, in here we also do the entry template. Okay, okay, so when we re-enter, well, remember, we also think about the appearance to the public. We want it to look as consistent as we can. So that's the good thing about the template. Okay, the entry template. All right, cooling, say the air cool. All right, and carburetor, say, I don't know, carburation. Okay, I forgot the term. Okay, but anyhow, ignition, say CDI. All right, the starter. Okay, say electric, and kick. Well, okay, that's the reason why. Okay, the template is good. So to prevent you forgot. Okay, ooh, what did I say last time? Okay, what's the term I used last time? Okay, suggestion, kick. Okay, all right, and maximum speed, say the 29 miles mph. Okay, all right. It shows you how to update the specification and the product picture. The product picture, okay, well, we have the system designed for this. This is for the e-commerce purpose. Okay, we have the different angle of the same product. This is the complete idea for that, and also the picture, the different color. Okay, it will show on the web in the detail. For example, you want to show people that the brake system is cool disc brake, a huge disc, okay, or it's nice swing arm, whatever. The gallery, okay, whatever. Well, I highly recommend. Well, you have to have something. You have to have something in here to show display on the web. Otherwise, when the people browse the website, it will show arrow here. It will not display the whole page. There's something need to be careful. Okay, if you don't, well, like I did, okay, I just copy and paste if I don't have that when I set up the SKU. Okay, but you need to remember, come back and do that. All right, to complete this. And the parts, okay, okay, this model already have something. All right, but we also have, oh, I believe this is the wrong spelling, input. Okay, I'll fix that later. Okay, you can input, for example, you need to enter. Okay, you can insert picture from file. Okay, and we have a, well, just for e-commerce purpose, we have a smaller size picture and a large size, especially on the parts. If you don't have a enlarged picture, people not able to tell. Okay, that well, let's see, detail. Let me show you. Yeah, this one, zoom in. Well, if you don't have this picture, people not able to find this index. Okay, not able to find this index. Okay, so it's no good. Alright, so let's do the input parts. You need to design the place to hold your parts. Okay, this, well, pretty much I like to use Excel. Alright, Excel. I have to create a template. Okay, cancel. Continue. Alright, continue. I have to create a template to import the parts. This is a template. Alright, you need to have a model number. The parts schematic number is associated with the parts schematic, and also the reference, the index number. Alright, and what is a SKU? And the description, this is the information mainly you need to get it from your supplier. Alright, commodity. Category 1 always power spool. This, okay, and the category 2 we will automatically create as a parts. All right, commodity and proprietary is about the price. Okay, nobody can maintain the selling price for the parts because especially in the powersport business, each vehicle has 100 to 500 SKU. Okay, depending on the product, and so we pretty much use the cost. Okay, FOB cost. All right, this is actually this is nothing. This is a fake data. Okay, I pretty much I get it from I already manipulated the number, and quantity. Okay, this is a template. Okay, you just follow the template. Okay, ask the manufacturer, supplier to provide this information to you under this template. And actually the parts menu has most of the information, but somehow I don't like the parts menu. All right, the parts menu is too detailed. It's too detailed. The parts, well, it's not really that friendly. For example, they probably for one carburetor, they will give you 20 parts, 20 SKU for the carburetor. In the real world, nobody do that. Okay, nobody do that. They just replace the carburetor. So you can use that, but you need to play with that. Okay, so we import, assume we already got it done. Okay, and the next button is option. You can add a warranty policy. For example, the coverage, say the engine. Okay, coverage description. Okay, as detailed as possible, and the warranty period, say the 1 year for engine and transmission. All right, and the frame and the power spool. Okay, we say that's 3 months. Okay, 3 months. Okay, all right. Oh, this is number. Okay, so this is 12 months. I need to change that. Okay, to 3. All right. The reason why is the number format is associated with warranty. When customer claim the warranty, the system is smart enough to calculate. However, I need your help to make things as friendly as possible for the computer. So we use number by months. Okay, this is just an example. And you can also add, okay, say ATV. You need to create a part number. Say ATV 01. Okay, let's say this the suspension upgrade. All right, say the hydraulic, well, oil, well, whatever, nitro, shock. I don't know. I believe nitro is correct. From left, from. Okay. All right, and you need to put the price. This is pretty much a sign. Okay, you got the number from the say the $100. Okay, assign landing cost. We say the 110. Common sense. Okay, MSRP. Normally I put the 3 times to 5 times, whatever, depending on the product. And the price and retail price, get some discount, make it look like nicer. And the dealer price from here, retail price. Okay, well, dealer can make $100, so I give him $160. All right, and the dealer too. Okay, 150, and disty. Okay, 140, and the good disty, I give them I don't make a whole lot, 15%, 115. Okay, what landing price is 125. Okay, the UPC code, if there's any in here. All right, and you can see the detail from here. All right, continue. And same thing, you need to add this, well, make it active so it can be displayed on the web. And warranty option, for example, the upgrade, 1 year, 6 months. All right, description. Sorry. All right, description. You can do cost assign. You just assign the cost 400. Okay, and make sure. Unit price say $800. Just think. Well, anyhow, that's a demo. Well, pretty much that's about the update. A lot of adding. It will be same like this, but we'll talk about that later. Okay, to make sure that this video file is not the size of this video file is not too big. Okay, thank you.